Hey, what's good guys? Welcome to Cooking Made Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some quick and simple pancakes. Let's do it.
In a large bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then mix it all together. In the same bowl, add 1.25 cup of milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together. Now, in your frying pan, you want to add some butter to help the pancake not stick. Get a scoop of batter and place it right in the middle of the pan. Because this batter is a little thick, you want to spread it out a little bit to help it cook a little more evenly. Now, after about a minute or two, you want to flip the pancake over. After another minute or two, it's done. Place it aside and repeat the same steps as before to make more pancakes. I'm going to go ahead and make 2 more.
Okay guys, well there you have it. That's how you make some pancakes. So if you made it this far in the video, give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.